The 2020 Indian Chieftain Limited. Indian Motorcycle spruced up its Chieftain Limited ahead of MY2020 with a new color palette and abundant chrome treatment. It ain't all about the aesthetics, though. The factory powers its revamped Chieftain Limited with the new Thunderstroke 116 engine with over 120 pound-feet of torque on tap. Custom touches abound on this top-shelf bagger, with the usual smattering of historical references to tie in with the factory's storied past, along with a modern electronic suite to round out the package. 2020 Chieftain Limited design. The Chieftain Limited is a straight-up classic bagger that hits all the necessary historical high points and fits the genre to a T. The Chieftain Limited is a straight-up classic bagger that hits all the necessary historical high points and fits the genre to a T. Indian's iconic war bonnet ornament rides in chrome on the front fender that has a long stretched look with cut back sides to show off the big front wheel. A beefy front end rocks chrome sliders with old-school chrome beer can fork skirts that add a bit more bling and protect the inner fork tubes from grit and grime that would otherwise lead to early failure.
To read the full article, check the link in the description. If you liked this video, please share your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.